To make your travel intros better, you should definitely watch this video. So let's start with it, and I will choose video landscape for this design. And first I will just zoom out a bit so that I can get to see the whole of the canvas, and after that I will go to elements here, and after that I will use this image which I have chosen. Okay, so this is Asian woman wearing Japanese traditional kimono at Fuji mountain. Okay, so this is a pro image, Canva pro image, but if you are wanting to use any type of free pictures, you can also try this picture. Okay, so it's pagoda in near Fuji Mount, Japan. So this is free to use. You can just try that. But let's start with it. I will use this image and let's cover the whole of the canvas. Okay, so after that I will use text here. Click on add a heading and write Japan and just make it bigger. And after that just come to fonts here and here use Leak Spartan. Okay, and just keep it down here and make it bigger. So the writing is ready now. After that I have to make the animation part. So for that I will go to elements again and I will use this airplane, which is again a Canva Pro image. Okay, so I will use this and rotate it, and after that just make it bigger. Now zoom it so that I can understand the whole of the canvas, and after that just bring it right here. Okay, and just make it bigger. Okay, now let's place it in the middle, and after that just right click it, click on layer, bring to front, and after that just use a square shape here and just make it in deep blue color, which is matching with the background so that the effect looks much more prominent. And I will just cover the part, just extend a little bit so that the effect looks much better, and after covering use the shape again. Make sure the color is same, which is this one, and rotate it to 10 degrees. So this would be -10. Okay, let's zoom it and cover it accordingly. And the lower one will be +10. So I will just include it again, and it will be +10, and just attach it accordingly so that the image looks prominent. Okay, so the image element setting is done. Now just select the airplane and just select on layer, click on bring to front again. Okay, and after that just right click on layer, go to layers and show layers, and just select all of them, the airplane and the layers of the shapes which I created with using the square shape, and just group them. Now move it slightly here and ungroup it. So as you can see all the layers are visible here. Now select only this shape and just extend it, make it bigger. Okay, and again select all the layers and group them again. And now let's hide the plane here. Okay, so plane is hidden here. After that just click on this page and duplicate page. Okay, and in the second page just select the plane, the layer, and holding on to shift move it in a straight line. Keep some parts of the plane here so that the effect is possible. Click on add transition, click on match and move, and make it to the highest amount. And let's see if the animation is working or not. So the animation is working fine. Now it's time to make the changes in the text here for the first slide. And for this I will go to text again, click on add a heading. Here I will write let's travel, and I will keep the same font all over the canvas. So I have used leaks pattern. In the Japan text I will use the same here and make it bigger so that I can cover the canvas here. Okay, and just duplicate it, and duplicating it right just 2. Okay, so keep it in the middle again. Okay, and after that let's hold on to let's travel and just make it smaller, and holding on to 2 just keep it here. Let's make it smaller, more smaller, because as you can see we don't want to keep it till the animation part. So I will keep it till here when the plane is coming. So after that let's use animation here for let's travel. We will use shift and click on enter only, and after that click on 2 and click on, let's see which one is working fine for us. So let's see if it is working fine or not. So this one looks the best, and this is the whole of the video which I wanted to share with you, and hope you learned something out of it. So this is a cool Canva animation transition which you can design for yourself and use it for your own design. So hope you like this tutorial, and please subscribe to the channel for more beautiful tutorials like this. Thank you.